Confused about running payroll for your S Corp and staying compliant? Let's untangle the complexities of S Corp payroll with Gusto. First, log into your Gusto account if you don't have one yet. You'll need to sign up and connect to your business bank account once you're in. Navigate to the People section here. You'll add yourself and any other employees. Now for the crucial part, your owner's salary needs to be reasonable. This means it should be what you'd pay someone else to do your job. Enter your agreed upon salary and Gusto will automatically calculate federal and state income taxes, as well as Social Security and Medicare taxes. Ensure that you run payroll for yourself regularly, just like any other employee. S Corps also have shareholder distributions, which are not subject to payroll taxes. Gusto doesn't directly handle these, as they're typically recorded separately with your accountant. However, be sure to keep meticulous records of all distributions to differentiate them from your W-2 wages. Gusto simplifies tax filing by automatically generating forms such as W-2 South and 941s. Review these carefully before submitting. Remember, S Corp compliance is crucial, so consult with a tax professional, and that is how you do payroll with Gusto.